Hello traders, welcome back to today's video on XAUBOT AI, specifically the gold trading version that pushing hard on their sites. You've probably seen the ads or the MyFxBook links floating around, so let's break down what's actually on the page and what it is really under the hood. But before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So right off the bat, this isn't a single fixed expert advisor with one lock strategy. The developer presents XAU Bot AI as a bot builder. You go on the platform, pick your market, as you can see here, with gold as a flagship. Choose from about 10 different entry strategies. Then decide between multi-level mode or scalp mode. Set your risk and it generates an MT4 or MT5 file for you. They claim over 20,000 active users or traders, 26 updates in the last 12 months, and that has been live since 2020. Looking at the strategies they claim, the default one shows RSI, Bollinger Bands, and is stochastic for high probability reversals. Then you have got MACD with EMA trend confirmation, RSI divergence plus price action, multi-time frame with ATR breakouts, and something they call smart money that looks for breakout blocks and retest. We got others, I won't bore you with all those details. You can go through the page and check it out for yourself if you're interested. Let's talk about an AI decision feature that pulls from ChatGPT. You can see here all the strategies and the AI decision making I was talking about. It pulls from ChatGPT, Claude, TradingView data, social media sentiment, and news to give an uptrend, downtrend, or range outlook. Don't forget the news filter also. Now there are two big modes where the real differences sit. One is scalp, which is a short-term tight stop and target version. Then we have the multi-level, it's the one they highlight a lot for gold. They say it opens additional positions at planned intervals if price move against the first trade. Importantly, they stress that lot size is not automatically double like classic martingale. Instead, you control the second level multiplier and the after second level multiplier yourself. The main idea is that the bot can average in and then close the whole basket together once price comes back to the average entry. Now they say they have MyFxBook results for some of these. Let's look at it. For gold, we have this gold multi-level. It's around. Let's look at the win rates. Say it has a 70% gain, balance of 32,000, profit of 5,000. Not bad. They keep saying past performance doesn't guarantee future results as trading carries risk of loss, which is the standard line. On the future and certain side, the marketing is pretty heavy. The push that you can trade gold, forex, crypto, stocks, and indices from one platform. Multiple symbols on a single bot, with risk setting from low to aggressive or fixed slots. And they say you can choose your plan Start with a 15-day free trial with no credit cards required. Create your trading bots, isolate your market, customize your setting, and generate your fully automated MT4 and MT5 trading bots in just a few steps. And then you can connect to your broker and then trade automatically. Now, I won't be creating the bot in this video. If you want a special video on how I create my bots, then let me know in the comments below. And if the video gets up to 10k likes, or let's bring it down, let's do 1k likes, then I'll create the bot for everyone to see and show you the backtesting results, so you don't have to stress yourself with that. Now, when I look at these developers' numbers against how this type of system usually behaves, the multi-level accounts on my MyFxBook that are public do show solid percentage gains, but the drawdowns sit in that 25 to 50+% range on several of them. The high win rates make sense once you understand the recovery logic, as the basket often closes in profits after the market turns, so the closed trades look clean. Honestly, the thing is, this is recovery trading with modern packaging. Some of the tracks are demo and some are real with high leverage. You all know the AI layer is a filter and not the main edge. But it's worth noting that the entry strategies they claim are solid with familiar technical setup. Now, if you're wondering if this is for you, it might be if you are a trader who already understands averaging systems, have enough capital to sit through 30 to 50% equity swings without panicking, and want the flexibility to switch strategies and markets without coding. If you're looking for a pure fixed risk single trade trend follower, or you're running a prop challenge with strict daily and overall limits, this is probably not the cleanest fit. The builder approach is convenient if you like to tinker, but the core risk still lives in the multi-level recovery. Like I said before, results here are based on historical performance shown by the developer and typical behavior of this strategy type. Is one noting nothing is guaranteed going forward as market changes, gold regimes shift, and settings make a huge difference. If this breakdown helped, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment telling me which EA you want reviewed next. And don't forget to grab that free robots with indicators and candlestick patterns using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Trade safe.